tie for osoro nimdeɛ ne osoro fa ahodie nti odifo dan me kasa kyerem sɛ woripa bia no so pese ugya dimpa ɛyɛwo opese ugya dimbɔne a ɛyɛwo enti enenso so mene wahia mpese mene wo kyɛ nsɛm bi ɛkɔso na ma mekyia Ghana mpanifo ya opa na Akufo Addo ma mekyia Alan Cash Alan Premine Alan Meba na bibia to yie amichia former president John Dramani Mahama oyamichira the American say awienso ane nenso sansabi koswo ye papa honorable Canada Japan ane Captain Smart ye nyina ye Captain Smart fire from above American wonim no no what Angel Radio Angel Multimedia so no fire from above. Ebajotie before 2020 yebewura 2021 no onyame de asema me se media for any police for ombenya serious encounter ana police for so someone wey ya Roberts be kunkuma woro obi a me wutie sankomo bia wo be kai a ukoma on channel for pages wa bo se be ko kansa nyame de sa prophecy ne maame before 31st mene papa be friend of Fajiman and yes interview na na so de na ehu generous for ebinom yanyama bia ehon tie ama ye papa honorable Canada Japan so de yaw abekasa no de kasa e no orofo ano tin osisa ono eye president anga sansam trofoi you beat it out of hell obe beat you out of the hell everyone kuma eni omutrim obe yin kwase asaba furo omutrim obe mu atiase se tindia for Ghana not a political party they have a person kasa in pains yaw na ano thing na osisu pains joy news joy for omo kasa the boss the CEO ebe catch ne say honorable me kwala ne say MPP for ne wan din yi na so honorable so kaka say sanko e president a obetwa ne mama kwasesem na firi ne tirim honorable kaka we a ayense bebiri ni American ne say me person bisa yanyina wo mam so honorable there it doesn't tolerate any nonsense on so kwasesem so no honorable so be kan ne de no aye de bia odifo me so me be kire mage honorable amaye hu se ensam trofo bi o man we mu a wo mu ni nukure nemu edu lesson time am kokko gisika o baby am ko gisika then they bring fake report inti honorable kire se ono sankadia oye president a kobobo sadwe fo e ma o yin kwase asem na from tirim e ba to kasa na no ode bona wonim moma yen ko tie audio no na yemra na ye ba then you judge for your own self say ne honorable kano ne kwan so no because na bi ka say ameri swali oba attacking no ema nsem bebre ba
you beat the hell out of him. I said that, and I said, send me your president. Not me your president. Me your president.
Hypothetical statement.
Yeah, me your president. And when I say beat out the head out of him, and no idea, that stupid Suhuni takes it to what? Because we're stupid.
Oh,
we're member. Before I was we are cramming come. So don't even annoy me telling me so a member. Please. mo pe enipa omo be say Ghana some journalists.
Yeah.
Some journalists.
Very specific.
Omo force reportage.
Some journalists.
Especially Joy FM. The way they are taking this country. NDC for say. Omo survey. Buntie. Nyawe ya. Akwa. Way propaganda no akojina hoye o parliament so hini no. Omo survey. Ghana frontier ni. Omo survey chiro mo say. About 68% of Ghanaian youth, both NDC and PP, supports me. They believe in me. And me contest this year, me win it. Me beat Mahama. Man contest it, Obia me support to the win against Mahama. So they have to discredit me. Now I'm gonna try somebody. Akwabi NDC ni ba ko catch up say, eh, who try say akwan the oba destroy no dia. Enye. So the result they say, Umbe Yusu Captain Smart, any Abeku Santana also to win the youth.
Captain Smarty.
Only credibility, or better than when you're youth. Maybe artificial, maybe natural. I do things out of love. I do things out of love. I am not pretending. It's me. Send me things out of love. We are DNA Mecca. I criticize my own party. I criticize NDC. Yes, into me will be criticizing me and having. The mom saw the catch him say, me a charging me treason. Prosecutor, you should be ashamed of yourself. You want my death now? Who before me?
Captain Smarty, Okuta Tower studio. I was
no. I don't want to talk about him.
Ready one.
But I want to state it categorically. I didn't mean what I said. Indeed, they can't capitalize on it. Ghanaians should push them to apologize.
Yeah.
Omode ko American embassy. Now send come apology letter etwaso. Yes.
And Washington.
What you say? What they call Washington? Omode ko monfa apology letter to Washington DC. Say you've caused death because of false reportage. Omo anya sa me do mbeko court. Joy FM for. Me do mbeko court. And if you want, we display cash. Take 10 lawyers, I'll bring 20 lawyers. Take your fake journalists, I'll bring truthful journalists to come and face you. A true one, Mudi. And I'm more person more intimidating in Japan. I come a Casabuasho. Meka nukure akosi ada meka mesebumbo. Anything that will benefit this country, anything that will benefit the youth of Ghana, I stand to die for them. Because maybe this is the one. Country activist was killed for making government unpopular. June 29, 2021, 3 a.m. And so called Joy, any. Now, when you come here, no catch yourself. He further added that it was unfair. The actions of the police in portraying Kaka's brother as the murderer when they are yet to provide any solid evidence to back same claim. Would ye point a finger at Kaka's brother as the murderer? Who say they don't have concrete evidence, so they have to wait. Did you have concrete evidence to say fix the country activists killed for making government unpopular? Joy FM should be ashamed of yourself. Should be ashamed of yourself. And I'm officer Ghana India. There was an NDC MP who told me say no free windy baneba. Now Joy for no man you say and now brofo mu kanti and then neya for mu time. Mugwana muti brofo Ghana. The MP was so pissed. I go for mu say. Mu Joy mugwana muti brofo Ghana. Ubrofo ati we dey. Krono na mu dey. Evil things and am dey. Krono and am dey. What you are doing? You want to destroy this peaceful country. And I'm surprised the whole country, nobody is talking about statement social media, how they incited the youth of Ejura to take the law into their own hands. And now false reportage, 2 people have died. One boy, his leg has been amputated. Others, our hospital, more record, more say, any past 6 and a prepra. Because of false reportage. Namumutiano, time in Amindi, I can take Joy FM to court easily for the false reportage that caused the death of 2 people plus 2 serious injured Ejura people. Na mum monyadaji edimikwa privileges and that damn MP. Why your propaganda? Or the free radio go and what do you call Ghana for a mutie munko Joy FM say agrin papa na wo mutrim and na wo mu e kan kura adenti wo ma delete wo ma ni nyina kura mu fi say we are smart. I paid a lot of money to take care of my children. Education, good education. You damn. Don't see you in Yinaba. Oma deleting in Yinaba. You see, I have all of them here. Most of you are smart. I've educated my kids. Simple. They just brought everything out. Question 2. Obia wotie mini say. I don't think I Joy FM. Muni some reportage. Eya papa no delete. We want Ghanaians to know because we are going to go through this. All the things they've said. Omu accuse MPP government. Emma Emrantia. I believe in them to go and take arms.
Great. Yanken kakra na.
Mami commentary and
okay.
So, so unimwa 48 hours. And a journalist, Koka will Rwanda say, kill them like cockroaches. 48 hours. Over 800 people died. Joy FM 4, untie ni ye. Ghana 4, muntie ni ye. Mimi ni Joy FM 4, why ne pe Ghana ye? The investment I've made in this country, because it won't be big da, and we also are exposed, you know. I've been advised to cool down. Yeah, I'm exposing straight away. Mimi busuani, nyami busuani die, and I'm calling you at the radio station. I built this myself out of sweat. I'm warning. See Jones Otiasi Omui, who the one mistake. Sabumbe gubi many masi. When you illegal deals, and I'm on the searching radio station, ube gubi many masi. Now I even got to know today. Say, lines is not use to GBC for there.
Yeah, that's GBC.
And the other man, Dr. Chu, GBC. Yeah. Please don't even try me. Boninu amupesa mudi. Why you say Ugu MPB? Ghana and Ugu. And those politicians, Oma Koshechre, fake journalists, Oma Jim Konfusi Komuni Die, Koma commentary. Yankupong Yena, and Ghana. Yabesha, who speaks the truth, who thinks of the country, who loves it. Umayweni memeka achiremo. Now see any leader who is not criticized by his own people means he's not doing something right. Enti omo mukotna sa lawyer na wa bon bibribe no.
Oh is that?
Joy FM lawyer.
Something like that.
Wa bon. Opa me yi na yi ama o. Mini senya ho say ni argument
you know. No say case na.
Wa bon. Now we are wine. We are wine. Obi a we adwuma wo media house bia o Ghana. Me I can pay you. Unim. So ni adwuma papa ya, wo de bra I'll pay you 5 times what you make if you polish my shoe. Something like bra, who polish my shoe kura. Ubenya adwen papa for Ghana. Common shoe of Canada Japan will give you common sense. And now the a debate. So why you want to say? Mube say Ghana. Mwani kwaku bako. Oh, who sabe kasebiem? A corrupt journalist like you kwaku bako. Uba kasebiem. I have a video here. Why am I show?
Baby, that video.
Yeah, kwaku bako. Me Canada Japan the means you can't use your media. Now radio station we need TV station and go for mokwa. Build the radio station and see how much it costs. Wabe travel render me useless. Excuse me. Give me a break. I'm see Akwaba Kuka say me. Defense and interior. Now even free defense and interior. Main course na Main course na Ask the members. leadership qualities. Ask. Now you know politics who do you should accept say obi abetimi akabi. Na momu kotra wonim. Omo reason omo de call news far ekoye dede nyina no. On Friday, omo de whatever ayo matro come American embassy or 2-4 ni nyina koto ho. Omo platform. And confo di false reportage from Joy FM. They have to be careful. And read my lips. May catch them say, my boss, my conta obaha, and in Bekasa catch me plain. And then may come Matias, your Joy FM. Adia Muyena. Mosi MPP for and Shamu ye into Mobe sabotage you. Eba Bomutriso. Who boss ran a kind, owner of the business. Catch them plain, say, Joy FM for say, MPP for Shawu. Enti, Omobe sabotage ye. Tell your boss if I'm lying. Now me tell my officer no buy. He told me. I told Gabi and the rest. Joy FM4 complained. But I met Joy FM4 and what Gabi fee. And then I'm quail. And then I'm quail. You want to destroy the nation. Now this boy should be beaten seriously. It's so annoying. Some journalists answers Obama should beat the hell out of him. May a president as I be a guap boy with him. And the media we are above the law. You are not above the law. Because obi akukum ninuya. And you go and report say, well, you fix the country activist. And or you see word mob. Mob and akukum. What do you gain? And then nipa mienu say nti nipa miensa and ewu. Joy FM. You should be ashamed of yourself. Obi entimi catch me catch them. Me catch him straight. Mo no bia. Me chirem be mo yo Gabi fi o mo go ede. Gabi fi o mo go ede. Mo go ede. Please. And you got nerves to criticize politicians? You are and I'm a kind ya.
Ebinim kase Amel Swali. Aye kuna yenhu the killers up to today. Honorable Kennedy Japan be kan sa you want say Amel Swali. Hey yekuno. It's honorable Kabi be said ya. A threat. Who? Yeah, and yes, I know me. Yes, I know person chere. Honorable or the pains the kasai. Honorable so you best say honorable can the you control your bitterness, you control your anger. What they say? Because the youth they believe in you, we trust in you. That's honorable, you stand for the youth. Ntibinia o kasamaye. But say you tuna so fuma honorable one we see you know. And no and a captain smart. And so back Canadian. So on sure honorable Canada Japan. Honorable say me fi Canada Japan, they me person team di ko man Canada attention. No. Canada man captain smart attention. Attention so na meteno. So pass attention in some way more do na bro na hu a me ba jo share na subscribe. Subscribe na share. Honorable say captain smart attention because captain smart could have a free air condition that they be untui. German attention. Captain to say honorable. Generous versus honorable. Honorable they make say Ghana who don't Ghana first. Also honorable na we nyina na we for me are one of the deepest fan. I love you. Ya o Ghana nkosunti na we. It is some job for some hwam hu yira mo hwam kasa ye. Mo ma ne no kurankora mo famra bonten. Some job for be Ghana ha gisika dia. Na mo gisika ansa mo de report e papa ba bonten dia na ne enye abonten mo de bad report dia. And as a Ghana a ejina some job for so. Sanye ye so ejina some job for so. Amu ya very careful. They say honorable so ni okita appointment. Nana ku father so. Nana mesrawo. E me wo de be mo na bon tamana de amano. Gas for corruption do krom sa ye mo se twi. Afan so na bo ba be yi sa corruption nyina free mo. Honorable nkwaso wate. E mo na mesere so na bo ya nya control kakra. Aya mo akoma mra form. Ko di pachia, udi wan se cha ba bri ukurum. ko Ghana fo binom e hye wabufuo nsamtwafo no binom e hye wabufuo honorable me kan say Captain Smart Captain who ye adwuma o mo say fire from above who ye adwuma na emom say Ghana for social media na latafo de ye no omo de ye comedy ni ade a nipa hwesere no Ghana for de ye te won ye di atam didi enko a na yemisa say ye mpanifo ni di atam youth no su di atam ye po bi manetu ye fo a ye ba ko fo hwan ndi Captain Smart adwuma de wo ye bet ba bi a entwa ye no ye be pese obetene no Captain nipa bebre ni di wachi nipa bebre tiew ba bo nyama bi ntwa ye a ese baka kire wo say as a media personnel as a journalist na obetiti adapa ne ade ma parliamentarian enti se ne parliamentarian ni obiema Captain wo ubetima kwa parliament ubetima kwa adwuma parliament wo se bia yambe ko akoma mo nya adwen sakra so peso kwa ayo MPO and our president the way you do today a year to come they will do the same thing to you nya ba ye nne no kire bi bobi so ba sa de tia wo samfum so wo mo ho a mo fa pepesen komo mo kasa kire wo mo e wo sebe nyansa kwan so nya tamdidie kwan so wodi na tam no se mekoso agim aya sebe mekoso aye nkwasede ameya Captain Smart den abe Ghana nsem for mo hwem ho yie na ya hweri yi a Ghana nsem for nipa miensa ba hwere wo mkra ya mokeka kono mumfanya mapapa no kure mfamra eno na ona boka na Japan eye na ya tu de baby ya kaka wuo ya joy for the fake report ba ya am ona boka na Japan buofu eno chese we still have fake journalists we still have fake in some trouble editiemi medina na prophet Erica Kwesentwi and as for God's Revelation Ministry no you are black William Street she screen has my telephone on my twam fara frame me ka sunsun sam se metima woni amane se ya metim bi ekoyi ya metim bi ana wo kana de Japan mesra wo mo akoma mra fam na wodi wan se chi ababiri ukuru ye pese Ghana nkoso nti ana wo kon kodin we ona bo ni party se ni pase ujina promise ujina promise ona bo menko jamala wati jamala cash ona bo minim baabi ya wo ko minim se wonye onyamenya oboafo ona bo jina standby na sa na se fire na wa fire onyamenya okese Captain Smart nyame kan so nyame so ye okese ne nya abotrefa atentere ne kwantere ne no fa ho ona bo se on peso batudi on se wonsuo na bo emfa hwemba onyame ene ye boafo edase bye bye.